Yo, what's good, guys? So today I am redoing my unboxing desk setup. My main setup is back here. That's where I do all my editing, where my computer and stuff is. But if you guys been checking out my videos lately, I've been doing a lot of product reviews and unboxings, and I've been using this older table that somebody actually gifted to me. You get this from Walmart. I think this table was probably like around 20 bucks. I'll verify to make sure. It's huge, it's foldable. You can move it in and out, and I've been rocking with this table for about 2 years. I'm just kind of not feeling the gray anymore, and I wanted something a little bit more modern. So earlier today, me and my wife went to Ikea for the first time. If you've never been to Ikea, you guys gotta go check it out. It is a magical place. Today we're gonna be redoing this little desk setup, and eventually later on in this year, I'll be redoing my main setup, which I got back there. But for now, we're gonna start with just the unboxing review area. Let me show you guys what I got so far. So this is what I've been using for the past few years. Definitely need some cable management. This is a little setup right here. Like I said, you can fold this up, but it's just huge. So what the ultimate goal here is to just have a permanent setup already ready to go with a camera and setup. So when I want to sit down and do a review on a product, I can just sit down and do it and not have to always move things around and set up my scene. It could just be already ready to go. Because a lot of times I don't want to actually film a video because I know I have to do the setup process and breakdown process. But when you have something that's already set up, I think that you're more likely, for productivity purposes, you're more likely just to sit down and do it because it's already set up. This stuff cost me less than $100. Yeah, less than $100 for a chair and a desk. I just came from Ikea. Very addictive place. Don't go to Ikea unless you want to get some stuff. But I'm gonna show you guys the process of setting this new desk up, and at the end I'm gonna tell you guys pretty much how I was able to come up with this really dope setup for less than $100. You guys probably never really see this wall that often because I mostly film towards this way with the main desk as kind of like the background. I'm gonna first start off by breaking all of this stuff down, getting out the way, and then we're gonna put together the new setup. So dope, y'all. Just wait, just wait. We're gonna start off with the chair first. That's the name of the chair. I don't even wanna mess it up. But we're gonna put this together first, then we'll do desk.
It's strange how we met that day. A Mexican sun and nothing to say. We danced all night, didn't have to talk. Your eyes met mine and I knew it was love. And I think about it now, it feels like it was yesterday. Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange? Each day seems a little bit shorter. Common trees were free only yesterday. We were kids, we were doing what we wanted. You were here one day, then gone the next. And it's strange that we talk at least about the things we think about all the time. Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange?
What I ended up doing was moving the desk instead of in the middle of the floor to actually behind on this wall right here. I think I kind of like the way this looks better. I've already kind of set this desk up. It's gonna be my minimum budget kind of setup. Like I said, I'm gonna use it for my unboxing area where I don't want to go to the editing computer and move stuff around the film. I just want something that's already set up and ready to go to film. That's what the purpose of this is. But again, I went with the Linnmon top from Ikea with the Adils legs, and I got the new chair. The chair feels real good so far. After this video, I'm gonna post another video actually showing the desk, all the accessories and everything that I got. So be on the lookout for that. This is actually gonna be probably like a 5-part series of me redesigning my office and perfecting my setup. I guess I'm gonna call it building my dream setup, or you know, something like that. I don't know. If you got a good name for redoing my studio, let me know down in the comments section. Hope you guys enjoyed the build of the Linnmon tabletop from Ikea. The next video will be the setup of the budget minimum desk setup, where I'll show you guys all of the stuff that I got for the desk and what it is, and you know, how it's displayed and all of that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the first build. I've already started purchasing pieces for my main desk setup, so that's gonna be coming soon right after. I am so excited about that. I'm way overdue for an upgraded desk. But for now, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the build of the new desk. Show you guys some clips at the end of this video of how it all looks. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, especially if you want to see me redesigning everything in my YouTube studio space. But thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next week in my next video. Deuces!
Isn't it strange?